Well, here's the 7. Pretty clean, no dents, factory paint. It's pretty good. Clean as for factory paint. Engine bay. My Borgwarn S366. Bridgeport stage 1 and stage 2. These are sensors for my ECU for cut-offs for oil and oil pressure and oil temp. Turbo smart rig, turbo smart blower valve, everything's done right. G-ready pulley wheels. I've got a thermostat down there with Mishimoto oil coolers with braided lines. Boost control full on with inserted for everything. The inside. Got a Hydro e-brake in here with a Microtech dash in the middle that runs off the ECU. Just needs to be configured again. Interior is pretty clean. Nothing on the dash. Got a boost gauge, just a voltmeter for a fill-in and a air fuel ratio teed into the exhaust. Back seats, speakers. Got the battery located in the back with a fuel surge system in here, all enclosed. So yeah, another good feature. I premix as well as the factory OMP. Another good feature is on my kit. This is a Adrenaline R remote control exhaust. So runs off a switch. Basically, we start her up. She starts first pop. So basically, to turn this down, you hit this button. Oh, it's not going. So it's that button there, the B. I usually run it off here. This is how quiet it is with it off. For warrants, turn the old lights on, and then you turn it back on. Hit the A off, obviously.